PQRS is a rectangle, as you can see. This is PQRS is a rectangle. P and Q lie on the x-axis. Q and R lie on the line x is equals to 15. So if R and Q and R are lying on x is equals to 15, it means x coordinate will be 15. I don't know the y coordinate. Q, the coordinate of Q is very clear. It should be 15 comma 0 because it's a point on x-axis. Similarly, P, I don't know the
Yeah.
x coordinate, but I know the y coordinate will be 0. Similarly, S can be founded. Can we found the x? No. Okay, no problem. So Q and R lie on the x is equals to 15. S lies on the curve y is equals to x. You can see this is on the curve y is equals to x.
Yeah.
Okay. See, one thing is clear. The y coordinate of S and R will be same. The y coordinate of S and
Yeah.
R will be the same. Okay. What is the maximum possible area of the rectangle? Now we have to find the maximum possible area of the rectangle. So first of all, area of rectangle is L into B, isn't it? So how we can find
Yeah.
the C? If we, let's suppose the x coordinate of point P is x, or we can assume some other variable to avoid the confusion. Let us suppose this is the alpha, right? I have assumed this point P as
Okay.
alpha. So the x coordinate of S point will be alpha,
Yeah.
isn't it? So y coordinate, how we can find its y coordinate? See, y is equals to root under x. So its y coordinate should be root under alpha, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, how we can find the point R? Point R x coordinate is 15 and the y coordinate should be root under alpha, isn't it? So see,
Yeah.
now you can see that I have written all the coordinates in terms of a single variable, that is the alpha only. Now what should be my length? My
Yeah.
length should be this length and you can write this will be 15 minus alpha, isn't it?
Yeah. 15.
Correct?
Yeah.
So length is 15 minus x. So let us write it 15 minus x. What is the width? Width should be this one, and this is can be written as root alpha. So this can be written as root alpha,
Yes.
and here it is 15 minus alpha basically, right? Here we have 15 minus alpha, correct? This is the area.
Yes.
And what is the
Yeah.
variable here? Alpha is variable. So if I differentiate my area with respect to alpha, do you know the differentiation?
Yeah.
Okay, so first simplify this one. This will be very easy to you. So this is 15 root alpha minus alpha raised to power 3 by 2, isn't it?
Yes.
So now we can differentiate it very easily. So it will be 15 into 1 by 2 into 1 over root alpha minus this is the 3 by 2 and alpha raised to power 3 by 2 minus 1, that is the 1 by 2, that is the root alpha. So this is the dA upon d alpha. So for maxima or minima we should have dA upon d alpha should be equals to 0. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
let me simplify this. So this is the 15 by 2 1 over root under alpha minus 3 by 2 root over alpha is equals to 0. So I should write 15 by 2 1 over root under alpha should be equals to 3 by 2 root under alpha. So this 3 5 times 2 and 2 can be cancelled out. So 5 is equals to root alpha into root alpha. You can see 5 is equals to root alpha into root
Yeah.
alpha. So 5 is equals to alpha. So we get that if my alpha is equals to 5, my area may be maxima or minima, but I am taking a risk here and I'm considering this to be a case of maxima. You know why? Because I'm getting only one value of alpha and my question is saying for the maximum value.
Yeah.
So it means that it should be a point of local maxima. So we have to find the maximum possible area of the rectangle. So we got that the root alpha is 5. So you have the expression of this area. So just put the alpha is equals to 5, or we can say the root alpha is equals to, sorry,
Root
alpha
5.
root 5. Yeah. So this is the 15 minus alpha. It means 15 minus 5 times root alpha, that is the root under 5. That's all. So 15 minus 5, that is
Yeah.
10 root 5. It should be our answer. Is there any option? 10 root 5. Please check it. Is it correct or wrong? Second last option, we are getting 10 root 5.
Wait. How? Which did you calculate? 10 times root 5.
See, we have the expression
10
for
root
this
5.
area. See, we have the expression for our area.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
have put it, my alpha value in this expression. It means at this alpha, you will get your maximum area. So just substitute your alpha in this expression of area. And please check
Yeah.
it. Is it correct?
It's correct. Correct.
Okay, very good.